Everyone wants a popular car, something trusted, something common, something that feels safe to buy. When you see a car everywhere on the road, your mind tells you it must be good if so many people have it. But here's the hidden truth nobody talks about. Just because a car is popular doesn't mean it's cheap to own. Some of the most well-known models on the road secretly cost thousands in repairs, and mechanics know it better than anyone. Number 7. Jeep Cherokee. The transmission, nightmare. The Jeep Cherokee looks tough, it feels capable, and thousands of people buy it thinking it's a reliable, adventure-ready SUV. But mechanics will tell you straight. The 9-speed transmission is one of the worst modern transmissions ever put in a mainstream SUV. Common disaster problems: hard shifting, sudden jerks, delayed acceleration, full transmission failure, grinding noises, random limp mode, gear hunting at highway speeds. These problems often start early, around $40,000 to 70,000 miles. Repair costs: $4,000, $6,000 for a transmission replacement, $900+ for diagnostics. Many owners need multiple repairs. Mechanics say, the Cherokee looks like a great SUV until it starts driving like a tractor. Even if you fix it, the replacement can fail again. It's a wallet destroyer disguised as a family SUV. Number 6. Ford Explorer 2013-2020. When everything breaks at once. You see the Explorer everywhere, but after around 60,000 miles, the problems hit all at once. This SUV ages like milk left in the sun. Major issues: timing chain stretching, water pump failure, transmission slipping, exhaust smell leaking into the cabin. If the water pump fails, coolant leaks inside the engine, mixes with oil, and destroys the engine. Repair costs: $2,500, $3,500 for a water pump, $3,000+ for transmission repairs, $6,000, $10,000 for engine replacement. Mechanics call it the SUV that ages faster than the owner. Number 5. BMW 5 Series 2011-2017. Luxury look, painful repairs. The 5 Series looks expensive without costing too much used, but once the miles go up, everything breaks. Common problems: oil leaks, turbo failures, fuel pump issues, electronic glitches, air suspension collapse, cooling system failures, sensor failures. Once these cars hit 80k, 100k miles, they act like they want to retire. Repair bills: an $800 for oil leaks, $4,500 for turbos, $2,000 for suspension, $900 or $400 for fuel pumps, $500+ for sensors. Mechanics say, you don't buy a used 5 Series, you adopt its problems. It drives great, but costs more than a mortgage to keep running. Number 4. Chevy Traverse, the family SUV that hates high mileage. The Traverse is roomy and comfortable, but after 50k, 70k miles, it becomes a reliability horror movie. Top issues: transmission failure, timing chain stretch, AC compressor failure, power steering issues, electrical problems, engine stalling. Many owners think they're getting a dependable SUV, but they're really buying future repair bills. Transmission costs: $3,200, $4,500. Many owners experience multiple failures. Mechanics say, if you see a cheap used Traverse, run. Number 3. Mini Cooper. Cute outside, chaos inside. People buy the Mini because it looks fun and unique, but mechanics know it as a tiny disaster. Common issues: overheating, carbon buildup, turbo failure, oil leaks, coolant leaks, timing chain rattle, electrical glitches. Repairs are complicated because everything is packed tightly under the hood. Typical costs: $200+ for oil leaks, $12,500+ for turbos, $1,000, $1,800 for overheating repairs. Mechanics call it the cutest money pit on the road. Fun to own until the bills start. Number 2. Nissan Altima CVT transmission disaster. One of the most popular sedans ever, with one of the worst transmissions ever. The CVT is a non-stop problem. Symptoms: shuddering, jerking, loss of power, overheating, whining noises, delayed throttle response. And once the symptoms start, they never go away. Most CVTs fail at 60k, 90k miles. Replacement costs $3,000 and $4,000. Many replacements fail again. Mechanics say, if you own an Altima and it's still running smoothly, just wait. Number 1. Dodge Journey, the SUV. Every mechanic avoids. It's cheap, it's everywhere, and it's secretly one of the worst-built SUVs of the decade. Major issues: weak transmission, bad cooling system, electrical faults, suspension problems, fast brake wear, interior electronics failing. Owners say, it was great for the first year, then everything broke. Repair costs: $3,000, $4,200 for transmission, $800, $1,600 for suspension, $300, $1,200 for electrical problems. Mechanics call it guaranteed future repair customer. Journeys fall apart early and never stop. Just because a car is popular doesn't mean it's reliable. Mechanics see the truth every day. If you want a car that lasts and doesn't drain your wallet, do your research. Because the wrong popular car can cost you thousands. If you want more honest car breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe for weekly real-world car advice.